Hello, good morning students. Myself is Kanti sir, who teaching mathematics here in standard 10 English medium. We discussed first three sums of exercise 13.1 yesterday. Today we are going to solve next sums. Now look at question number 4, and as I insist on understanding questions, so I again remind you, you should have your textbook and it must be open at particular page on 244, and you just read it twice before going to solving that sum. And right now also you just read it twice. Okay. So question number 4, look at. If you understand the statement or language of question, hemisphere is mounted on a cube. So first time something is mounted on cube, otherwise cylinder, hemisphere, cone are combined. But sometimes this will also combination be given there. So cubical block of side 7 centimeters. So block side is 7 centimeters. Okay, all are of 7, 7, 7. Height is also 7. Okay, that is means cube only. Cubical means of cube shape. Cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted. Surmounted means kept above. Kept above, surmounted by hemisphere. So it is surmounted by. So means you understand. Hemisphere is above cube. Hemisphere is above cube. Okay. In earlier word, mounted word was used. So mounted or surmounted, both are same here. Okay. Here surmounted by particular shape is upper shape is given first. So that is hemisphere. But one condition is written there. What is the greatest diameter of hemisphere can have? Find the surface area of the solid. Okay, what is the greatest diameter of hemisphere can have and find the surface area. So what should be greatest diameter of hemisphere? Obviously equal to length of cube. Why? We want to place maximum size of hemisphere on the surface of cube. So obviously hemisphere diameter should be equal to side of or length of cube only. So we can say diameter of hemisphere should be 7 only. Then only it becomes of maximum size. So first answer we got directly. Just try to draw this way also. Okay, I just make here cube, and after making cube just these types of oval shape. Actually it is oval, but 3-dimensionally it is circle. Okay, so make hemisphere of this type. Now first answer we got. Now what they are asking, find the surface area of the solid. After placing of maximum size of hemisphere, find the surface area of solid. So first of all write the first question's answer. So maximum or whatever they are using word, greatest diameter of hemisphere. So write down greatest diameter of hemisphere equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, centimeter is given. Obviously equal to that. Therefore, radius R equal to 7 by 2. Now don't write 3.5 again, because we generally expect fractional value only, not decimal. Okay, so keep it 7 by 2 only, not 3.5. Now, length
of Q
L
equal to
7. What is given, whatever we have found, just prepare list of everything. Okay, after preparing all list properly, all conversion should be completed in the list only. Then only start our main part. Now what we want? We want total surface area of the solid. Solid means you know, cube as well as hemisphere. So surface area of solid. Now you have to understand here one thing is interesting. If you want to find all remaining surface, just imagine, visualize. Suppose your room is of cubical shape. On the terrace, one hemispherical dome you want to establish there. So what happens? How much total area will be? That hemisphere cover circular region of the terrace. Okay, so this circular region is already covered. So that should not be considered in a calculation. Okay, so one idea is that if we first of all take total surface area of Q, then core surface area of hemisphere, okay, minus area of circle. Why minus area of circle? Because that part is covered. So everything is included, but not directly, indirectly. From PSO cube, we remove that circular covered part by hemisphere. Okay, and that core surface area of hemisphere is already visible. So everything is visible except that circular part. So just write PSO of cube. Not write direct formula, but write words only first of all. Plus PSA of hemisphere minus. I just write because no space is here, that's why. Minus area of circular base of hemisphere. Means circle. This means what? Area of circle. But for more clarification, I just clear everything. Now place or value. Area PSA of cube, you know, 6L square. PSA of hemisphere, you know, 2 pi r square. Area of circle, that is subtracted. Why subtracted? I already explained that. Because that part is not visible. If what is visible, that is r. So that is pi r square. Now you can see here like term, that is 6L square plus pi r square. 2 pi r square minus pi r square. Okay. Now S value. Whatever given. 6. L is given 7. Okay. Pi's value is not given. This is right here 7 by 2. So 22 by 7
into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. Never make
square or cube of any number. Just instead of making square, write down 2 times. And instead of making cube, write down 3 times only. So that we can process on this very easily. It can be very easily cancel out, very easily counted. Okay. So now 7 cancel out here.
Second term. And
here also 2 11s are then no cancellation possible. Now it is 6 into 4.
49 plus 77 by
Okay, 1177 by 2. So obviously it is 9 6 are 54.
5. 6 4 are 24 plus
5 29. Okay. Now 77 by 2. Now you can convert it into decimal. Why? Final answer is going to come and upon 2 is there. Otherwise you cannot convert into decimal. So it will be
2 3 are 6, 2 8 are 16, 38.
point. Okay. Now make total 294.0 38.5. 5 12
1 13
1 332.5 centimeters
So here centimeters
square or square centimeter. Anyway, okay. So that is the surface area of given solid. Okay. You understand first 2 steps here. Then nothing is there. These steps only. Why TS of cube plus TS of hemispherical minus area of circle? Because that part is covered up. After adding both ones, we have to remove that part. That's why that is subtracted. And why TS of cube is taken? Why? Because all area is as except this circular cover part. Okay. And hemisphere also is that. And its curved surface area is visible that. Okay. But this cover part we have to remove. That's why it is subtracted. Like some combined. Then I nothing done. Only value plus and simplified. Okay. So I think at standard 10 we just concentrate on main step only. How to calculate, that is not important part. But you have to solve yourself. Okay. So
for us
up to this step only
10.
standard step. Then only simplification, whether it is 8, 7, 6 or upper primary level sums are there. Okay. Now look at next one. It is again repeating. A hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of cubical wooden block. Here depression means you know pit. Depression means pit. So just same type of sum is given, but instead of mounted on that part is removed. Hemispherical part given this way only. Okay, so let's try to imagine it. But even area remains same only. Why? Because if you observe from here, that 2 pi r square is visible here. So same, here remains same. But slight different. Means question is different. Solution not different. Formula not different. Why? Because that part is removed. Cubical hemispherical depression is cut out from one face of cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of the hemisphere is equal to the age of the cube. Age of the cube means length of the cube. Okay. So determine the surface area of the remaining solid. So same types of case again. Only instead of mounting, here depression is there. And instead of measurement, they have given unknown is there. L is there. So diameter is L and length also L. Okay, so L and this diameter also L. Bench press height L and diameter also L. So this is only. So I just remove this part. Otherwise everything is repeating. Now I remove 7. Write down L. You understand? L remains L only. This remains in this also, this also. Now in place of R, write down L by 2. L by 2. Okay. So it is 6
L square plus pi L square by 4.
pi L square.
By 4.
Now we can do nothing because not value given. We only take common. We can take common only. So L square is taken common. Otherwise take LCM just like that. 4, so 24L square plus pi L square. Now also you can take common, L square is common, L square is common, nothing else. Don't cut 4 6 are 24. I already explained. 24 plus pi upon 4. Okay, so anyone, this one is also answered, this one is also answered. Because in this way we have to give answer that is not clear. You just look at back pages of textbook, how they have given answer. According to that only you stop. Otherwise write everything. No problem. Okay. This is only simplification over here. I just taken here LCM, cross multiply done. Then L square was common, so I taken L square common. Okay. Without taking LCM, you can take L square common also. Okay. That is not matter. And if the appearance is different of answers, don't confuse. Answer is same only. Don't understand that answer is wrong. Okay. Otherwise they can give answer by that way also. Here only they take common L square. So that 6 plus pi by 4 left. So if you get at last page this type of answer, don't understand our sum is wrong. Okay. Anyway, you can give answer. Okay. Now look at number 6. Just understand that first of all. Read it twice. What is given? 5 millimeter diameter given. 5 millimeter diameter. You just look at figure. Then total length 14 millimeter given. For total length, I told you they mostly give us total length, not length of any particular shape. Okay. So now you can understand there are two hemispheres and one cylinder. Okay. So if you want to find length of cylinder, then obviously you have to subtract length of both hemispheres from 14. Okay. Then only you will have length or height of cylinder. So first of all find that part only, this part. That is not given. Okay. Before going to formula, you always have to find missing measurements. And if you started directly, and whenever that value step comes, at that time you confuse. And after starting that step, you have to cancel it and again start process of finding that missing parameter. So that is not advisable at all. You first of all prepare and complete your list. Then only go to main step. Okay. So I just writing first of all. First I write radius. Radius not given. So it is 5 by 2. Otherwise 2.5. That is up to you how to write. Millimeter. Everything is given in millimeter because it is capsule only. Now, height or length both are equal. Shape is horizontal, then generally we imagine it is length, and if it is vertical, then height, but it remains same only. So height of cylinder is, okay, full form symbol also, full form symbol also.
Now how to find?
14 minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. You understand? Why? Because one radius, another radius. So two radius are subtracted. Okay. So you just write that way also. 2r. 2r means diameter itself. So 14 minus 2 radius is already found 5 by 2. 2 to cancel. 14 minus 5 equal to 9 millimeter. Orally also you can decide it, R and R. 2.5 plus 2.5. 5 is removed from total length 14. How much left? 9. 9 is what? Length of cylinder only, or height of cylinder only. Now you can start your main work. Radius. Radius is what? Radius of cylinder as well as radius of hemisphere. So nothing specified here. Now write down whatever they are. Find surface area. So write down surface area of capsule. Surface area of capsule equal to CSA of cylinder plus 2 times CSA of hemisphere. Means sphere. 2 hemisphere means what? Sphere. Okay. Now write down formula. Okay. So formula should be in word form. In word form only. Everything written in words only. Not go directly formula. Now write down 2 pi r s plus 2 into 2 pi r square. Actually it is 4 pi r square because one sphere is formed by 2 hemispheres.
So it is 2 pi r s plus 4 pi r. Don't write directly.
Go to this step. Now take common.
2 pi r is common. S plus
2 are left. Now
less of
value. I think 5 value not given, so 22 by 7. So 2 into 22 by 7. Everything is ready here. Into R 5 by 2. Height 9 plus 2. R is 5 by 2. Okay.
So now 2 to cancel.
Now here, so 22 into
5 upon 7.
2 to cancel. 9 into 5, 14. Okay, 9 plus 5.
Okay, otherwise,
Do one step extra, 9 plus 5.
so it becomes
22 into 5 into
40.
upon 7. Okay,
So 7 to the 40.
so now 5 to the 10 and
10
into 20. So 220 millimeter square. That is your answer. Okay, again I just explain it. First of all, you have to draw systematic figures and label all measurement here. Okay, R is not actually given, but R is 2.5. Why make it half? Total length given. So we can find length or height of cylinder. You can tell height or length, both are same here. So we subtracted this part and this part.
So 2 times
R is subtracted.
So
Whatever left is nothing but the length of cylinder. Now after getting it, that is our main step. CS of cylinder plus 2 times CS of hemisphere. Never use PSS formula in this types of combined set. Now both formulas are all formulas are placed, taken common, then value. As I told, we always prefer fraction only, not decimal. Okay. Now same type of sum is 9, but it is quite different in that sense. This we gone to 4 to 5, from 4th sum to 5 times, surmounted, then depression. But for area, that remains same case. If it might be volume, then it will be different. It will be different. If it is case of volume, then you have to add that part. And if it is cut or remove part, then you have to subtract that. But for area, whether surmounting or depression, both are same only, because area remains area only. Okay? So area mostly not subtract, added only. So in question number 9, wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid. Okay, so the figure becomes like this only. Okay. But here also 2 times 2 pi r square and 1 time 2 pi r. If the height of the cylinder is 10 and base of radius, here both are given directly. So no need to find these types of measurements, no missing measurements. Measurements given all. Find surface area of article. So same formula will be there. Okay. Even appearance is different, but area remains same case only. Measurements are different. So you just go through this way. No need of this part. Okay, because height is given, height of cylinder given directly, and radius also given. Radius is 7 by 2. Why 7 by 2? 3.5. 3.5 given, so 35 by 10. 7 by 2. Okay. So question 9 number. Now look at number 7. Number 7. Question is long. Solution is very short and very simple. Look at tank is in the shape of cylinder surmounted by a conical top. You understand? First of all, first statement is very important regarding shape of that tank. Sometimes tanks are conical. Sometimes tanks are conical as well as cylindrical. Okay. Mostly army tanks are conical only, or circus tanks are of this type. Circus tanks are of this type. Okay. So this part is cylindrical and that above part is conical. So here that is given. Okay. So we draw figure. Now write down value. If the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are 2.1, so height is 2.1. Okay. And height and diameter. Diameter is diameter is 4. So radius is 2. R equal to 2. No need to write centimeter everywhere because it is figure to accommodate everything is not possible. Why 2? Because diameter is 4. Now, slant height of the top is 2.8. Slant height of the top is 2.8. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Area of canvas used is what? Area. So what area? Here in bottom nothing is there. In bottom only ground is. Okay. So you have to include curved surface area of cylinder and curved surface area of cone. And here one positive point is that slant height is given. We want slant height only, not height. And radius also given. So everything is given directly. No measurement is missing here. So that's a positive point for us. Now, also find the cost of the canvas at the rate of 500 per meter square. That is not important. That is later part. After getting area, you just multiply by 500. So total cost you will have. Now how to start? First of all, prepare list. Slant height of cone. Slant height of cone. L equal to 2.8 means 28 by 10. Otherwise 14.5. If you want, you can leave in decimal form also, but not exact. Now, radius. Radius means radius, not of cone or not of cylinder, of both. Radius equal to 4 by 2 equal to 2. Why? Because diameter is given, so we have to show that. Height of cylinder 2.1 means 21 by 10 centimeter. Okay. Now, or tent, one tent is there, not so many tents. So you just find surface area. Why? In surface area only material is used, not in between used. Okay. So material use means nothing but surface area only. Okay. So you can write anyway. Find the area of the canvas used. Okay. So area of canvas used. Otherwise you can write surface area of tent. Surface area of tent means canvas is equal to
CSA of cone
plus CSA of hemisphere. Sorry, CSA of cylinder. Just look there. No bottom is there. Okay, so
don't write
pi r square because canvas is not used there. Just understand. Whether it is conical or of this type, ground is ground. Not canvas or any material.
so it is pi r L plus 2 pi r.
Everything is ready.
So take pi r common, L plus 2L.
Pi r common. Okay, so understand figure all measurement given directly. I just written all measurement and
Converted into fraction form.
you can write in decimal form also. I don't mind. But by
Combining only by taking
taking common only use
this place.
value. So now you have to find that variable. That will be not our answer. After that,
That
find cost. Okay. So whatever you get here, that should be multiplied by 500. So that will be your final cost in rupees. Okay, understand? Get area and then multiply by 500. Why? Because all measurement are given in meter. So our final area is in meter square. Per meter square 500. We have so many meter square. So how much cost? Just multiply by 500. It is very simple. Okay. So this half part is also in number. So question 7 and 8. 7 is half and 8, 9. Sorry, 7 and 9. They are number. 8 I will solve in next lecture. Okay. So it may be quite sentimental. So only 2 or half, 1 and half, whatever you count, that is in homework, and do it properly and revise all solve sum also. Thank you.